Hi everyone, it's Catherine from Just Fabrics here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Christmas pudding pincushion. Everything you need for this make, including the fabrics, are linked in the description below. Using a circular object, cut out a circle with a 15cm diameter. This is from your brown fabric. Now cut out a circular blob shape. We have used a white felt as it doesn't fray. Cut this shape out. Sew the shape onto the centre of the circle of your fabric. Hand sew a running stitch along the edges of the circle. Pull the ends tightly to gather the fabric. Now start to fill the fabric with stuffing. Now tightly hand sew the circle closed. Cut out a 4cm circle from the cardboard. This is for the bottom. Now cut out a slightly bigger circle of fabric. This is to sit on top of the cardboard. Now place the cardboard circle at the base of the pudding and place the fabric circle on top. Sew around the edges to attach this to the pudding. Draw 4 leaves from a different fabric and cut out 4 pieces to make the 2 leaves. Hand sew these together. Position the leaves and sew them on to secure. Using a different coloured fabric to create the berries, we are now going to make 2 covered buttons. The tutorial for this can be found in the description below. Now sew these buttons into place onto the pudding. Make a loop with your elastic. Measure around your wrist and make slightly smaller. Sew the ends together. Now sew the elastic onto the pudding. Hi everyone, I hope you enjoyed that make. If you did, please like and subscribe below. For more inspiration and how-to guides, please check out our socials and our website.